brother Kahi on the song that we're going to be recorded on the new record as well. So it's going to be coming out. We perform at Duke's Country Club every Friday from 4 to 6 for the past 12 years. And being in that beautiful place of Waikiki, thinking it's only for tourists. Oh, it's only for tourists. Hey, Waikiki is ours too, okay? It's ours. So it's a beautiful...
It was ours first.
It was ours first.
We just let in on the illusion.
Yeah, we let them borrow, borrow a little while. But it's so nice to go down there and see local people come down and be a part of it. So we're going to do this song that's based on the beautiful Waikiki area, featuring Kahi Kapunohioko on the finger bass, song titled The Waikiki Hula. The song that goes like this. Here we go.